Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from Zelle. First of all, open your Chess application on your smartphone or iPhone. Then after that, on the home page, you just need to tap to pay and transfer option at the bottom of the left screen. Then you just need to simply tap on the settings option on the next page. From here you will find this page, and from here you will find the settings option. Simply click on it. Then you will find that Zelle settings option. Just simply click on it, and then tap on your phone number on the next page. Here is the phone number of your Zelle account. You just need to tap on it once. Then on the next page, tap on the delete mobile number. You will find options for delete your mobile number. Then tap on the deactivate now button in the bottom of your screen to confirm to delete the phone number from your account. Now after that, tap on the done button at the bottom of your screen. After clicking on done, you will find that your phone number is deleted. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.